When you think of spring break, you probably think of Bahamas, beaches, and beer, but not us. For our version of spring break, we wanted to do something different, something not a single one of our friends would ever consider doing. We wanted to drive to the Grand Canyon and back from State College, Pennsylvania in under 10 days. Sure, we had some problems along the way, but made a hell of a lot of good memories. This is the story of our spring break.
What is it? When do we actually leave State College? When are we declaring that? Right now?
Yeah, this is it.
All right, it's 3:21. We're officially
The stoplights don't even work.
officially out of here, and it is that hour. It is that hour.
What's up, people? We're somewhere in Ohio. The state literally blows. I'm not a fan. We're going like 90 miles an hour in the meat machine. 87 precisely. I have been awake since 2:30 in the morning and have yet to sleep at all. I don't think there's any chance of me sleeping. A lot of energy.
This isn't putting in perspective how tiny this thing is. Oh my god. 5 people are supposed to fit?
I'm locked in a bubble in the McDonald's arches.
This idiot.
This is so dumb.
First video post deer cook. Farge.
Fried a deer. 12 miles away.
Which way?
Everybody's on the run, so satisfy your hungry heart. Give me something to hold on. We're here today, tomorrow's gone. We're just children, rolling where we don't belong. We're just children, waiting for the future to come. We're just children, rolling where we don't belong. We're just children.
the course of our 10-day trip, we drove 6,000 miles, drove through 16 states, murdered a deer with my truck, and burned almost 400 gallons of gas. Although this wasn't your typical spring break, it's something that I'll remember for the rest of my life.